Okay, so we're gonna go through and do this gas pedal assignment. So just like before, yes, we have the zipped file here, but instead what I'm gonna do is use in the canvas, the download that I've created. So I'm gonna hit download, which brings it in here, and then I'll go to my Fusion and I'll go to upload, select files, and there it is. So you don't have to unzip, it gets rid of all that complicated, weird, glitchy stuff. And then we wait for it to open and something goes wrong. Open design, here we go. Okay, so you can hit open design. So we're starting with this and then we have to add to it. So if we look here, it says expand the sketches folder in the browser. Turn on the loft centerline sketch. So it says expand the sketches folder in the browser. So let's look at your sketches. So if we go here, we're going to drop down on the sketches folder here. And it says loft centerline. So we're going to turn that on. So the eyeball has a line through it. You have to click on that to turn it on. Okay, just making sure I'm saying the right thing. Activate the loft command to create the connection between the pedal and the base. Select the face of the base in the shape of an eye that protrudes out toward the pedal. So we are going to go to the loft command. So I'm going to drop down on create, find loft. Then it says it wants us to pick this thing that looks like an eye. And then it says select the split face on the back of the pedal. Okay, so now we're going to do the other side. So right here, see we have that same kind of eye shape. Click on that. Now it goes straight, but we're not done. So then it says, under the guideline in the dialog box, activate centerline option and select the loft centerline. So we're going to go to, on the guideline, we're going to click over here to centerline. Then here, we're going to click on that. So that goes there. Ooh, pretty. Looks good. Okay, so that did that, so we can hit OK. And let me just zoom out, turn so you can see it's looking good. So now it says we're going to do the web. So turn on the web sketch. Activate the web command to create the reinforcing geometry within the loft feature. So first, we have to turn on the web sketch. So that means we go back into our sketches here, into that drop down, we find web, and we click that eyeball. Then it says, activate the web command to create the reinforcing geometry within the loft feature. Select the 11 sketch lines that intersect with the loft. Okay, so let's see what that means. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to click on loft. Loft command? No, that's not right. I just said the wrong thing, didn't I? The web command. Web. There it is. And then we want to pick the lines that intersect. So this one, 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 and this one. There are 11. All right, so that worked out. And then it says select the thickness as 2 millimeters. Okay. Let me just do this so we can see what's going on. Okay. So then thickness here, I'm going to do 2. Ooh, look at that. That's cool. Click OK to complete the command. Now we're going to turn on the rib command. So let me do that. Let me hit OK. I'm curious, did that do it on both sides? No. Did they want us to do it on both sides? Interesting. Symmetric. They did. Let me go back into that one and double click on it. It didn't say that, but one-sided, symmetric. Huh. Oh, that is symmetric. So why is it being... Okay. All right. I'm going to leave it like that because that's what they told us to do. Okay. Now it says click OK on the command. So it was symmetric to next, 11, 2 millimeters, flip direction, nope, extended curve, checked off. Okay. Turn the rib section, turn on the rib sketch. Activate the rib command to create the rib and finish model. So we're going to turn on the rib sketch. We're going to create rib. We're going to select this. This is interesting. So we're going to select the angled sketch on the curve, which we did. Then set the thickness to option to symmetric, depth to next, set the thickness to 7.5 millimeters. So we're going to say 7.5. Symmetric to next. Looks correct. Set the material for the model. Oh, that's it. So then we're just going to set the material for to physical material. Navigate to the plastic folder and do ABS plastic. That's one of the 3D printed kinds of plastics. And, things are made out of it. Find the mass of the body. And we're looking for this. So let's see. So I'm going to hit OK. And I'm curious because we didn't do that grid on the other side if we are going to get the actual what we need. So we're going to go here, right click, go to physical properties, physical material. And we're going to go to plastic. Go to ABS, which should be here. Hold on. Here it is, ABS. Put that on. And then let's see if our physical material is what it should be. Properties, moment of truth. And the properties are mass 262.075. Let's see. 262.07. Okay, good to go. Save it, turn it in.